Hey, what's up guys? Millionaire Advice is back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to show you how to make money online by watching video ads. That's right, you can earn $20 every 10 minutes just by watching video ads, and in this video, I'll show you how it's done. First, let me introduce you to a website called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards program that pays you for doing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. In this video, we're going to focus on how to earn money by watching video ads. Once you sign up for a free account on Swagbucks, you'll be able to access the video section of the website. Here, you'll find a variety of videos to watch, including movie trailers, cooking videos, and product reviews. Each video is accompanied by an ad, and when you watch the ad, you'll earn points. For every 10 videos you watch, you'll earn around $20. That's right, just for watching videos and ads, you'll earn $20 every 10 minutes. It's a simple and easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. But wait, there's more. Swagbucks also offers a referral program where you can earn even more money. When you refer someone to Swagbucks and they sign up, you'll earn a percentage of their earnings. So not only can you make money by watching videos and ads, but you can also make money by referring others to the platform. And one more thing, you can also use Swagbucks to earn cashback on your online purchases. The website partners with a number of online retailers, and when you shop through Swagbucks, you'll earn points that can be redeemed for cash. So, not only can you earn money by watching videos and ads, but you can also save money on your online purchases. Overall, Swagbucks is a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. With so many opportunities to earn points, it's easy to reach the payout threshold and cash out your earnings. So, start watching those videos and ads, and start earning today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. See you in the next one.